His brusqueness in Big Boss was reminiscent of his role as the irascible vampire Abhay Raichand.
5 मिनट की टोटल बातचीत करी हो, उसमें मैं तुम्हें एरोगेंट नजर आ गया
Vivian De Sena wasn't exactly palatable for his Big Boss housemates,
क्योंकि मैं हंस के मुस्कुरा के हैं ये करके बात नहीं करता हूँ।
but he emerged as one of the most popular contestants on the show.
मेरे फेवरेट हैं विविन।
He was born on 28th June 1988 in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, to a Hindu mother and a Christian father of Portuguese descent. He inherited the germ for sports from his father Duncan, who was a footballer, and mother Shamlata, who was an athlete. He studied at a military school for 2 years, where he learned several sports, including horse riding, and started playing football from the age of 10. While he had one foot on the field, he had the other in the kitchen. He said growing up, he used to shadow his mother as she cooked, and that's how he cultivated cooking as a hobby as well.
खाना बनाना अच्छा लगता है सर और काफी
अच्छा लगता है सर
सबको खिलाना दिल से पसंद है सर।
After graduation, he took part in a Glad Rags Manhunt contest. The Glad Rags Manhunt and Model Contest was an annual pageant conducted by the Indian Glad Rags magazine. This became the entry point for Vivian in the world of TV.
बंगले में वहाँ पे जाके हमने फोटोज ड्रॉप करी।
At the age of 21, he debuted as a supporting character on Kasam Se.
You think you're too big for your shoes?
But he became a household name through his third project, Pyar Ki Ye Ek Kahani, which was a supernatural TV serial loosely inspired from the Twilight series. The daily soap introduced the then 22-year-old as the first vampire on Indian television.
भाई मैं आपको वैम्पायर बनते देखता था।
He met his future wife, Vabiz Dorabji, on the show, who played a supporting role. He married her at age 25, but they separated 3 years later in 2016. The man who loves stunts dabbled in reality shows such as Khatron Ke Khiladi and Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Following this, Vivian worked on a couple of shows such as Shakti, Astitva Ke Ehsaas Ki, and Sirf Tum. At age 31, he adopted Islam and later said, "I find a lot of peace and solace in praying 5 times a day." 3 years later, he married Egyptian journalist Nuran Ali, who was settled in Bahrain.
हमारी शुरुआत जो हुई थी प्रोफेशनली, उनको मेरा एक इंटरव्यू चाहिए था, 4 महीना वेट कराया था।
While his TV appearances remained sporadic, with only 4 full-time daily soaps, Vivian was said to have retained his fan base, mostly due to his role as Abhay Raichand, but in his interviews, the actor refrained from sharing information about his personal life. At age 36, he appeared as a housemaid on Big Boss, where contestants lived between 107 cameras.
I've got 2 stepdaughters and 1 my biological daughter. मेरे से किसी ने पूछा था कि क्या फ़र्क है बेटा और बेटी होने में। मैं देखो वो बड़ा होगा तो उसे समझ में आएगा मेरा बाप हीरो है, ये पैदा होगी और बोलेगी मेरा ये हीरो है।
Here, his co-contestants called him arrogant for saving courtesy for those he liked, while his close friendships became examples for those struggling to maintain their bonds with others.